So I'm bringing in here everything that I took out of my jewelry box that I just needed to rehome. So I think I have the perfect place for it, but what I need to do is kind of go through this one section that is like tights. Do you guys remember when like wearing tights and stockings were really cool? And no, not in like the 80s and 90s, but like, I don't know, 2009-ish to 2012-ish maybe. Well, I still have a whole bunch of stockings and tights that really didn't get that much wear, and I don't think that I will ever wear them. I may keep one black pair, maybe a blue pair. So I'm gonna pull those out and see what I'm gonna wear from that, and wherever those come out of, this stuff is gonna go into. Oh yeah, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna bring you guys down to this level. Okay, so first off, I have a slip. I actually will keep that because you never know when you need a slip for underneath the dress. Even dark dresses, you sometimes need slips. Here we go. Here's some of the stockings I'm talking about. So these have feet on them, but yeah, I don't really need those. This was a body shaper for my sister's wedding. I'll probably keep that because it wasn't cheap. And yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of go through here. You'll see me pull stuff out. I'll show you what I'm gonna put back in, but I'm just gonna kind of fast forward while I go through this so you guys don't have to sit here and hear all the explanations of what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of. So I have two pair of tights here. They're both black. This one has like a knitting to it, and this one is just like plain black. So I'm gonna keep both of those. Those are great for under like sweater dresses or any kind of dress that maybe is just a tiny bit too short. And then there's this sweater tights that I have that are in blue. I guess I got them at Target, and I've never worn them. So obviously I'm gonna keep those over any other blue ones. And then I have these really cool extender slips. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of these, but you can wear them for, again, like dresses or skirts that are just a tiny bit too short. You can wear these, and I have it in the black. I have it in a cream color, and then I also have a white extender slip. And quite honestly, I find very different uses for all three of them, so I'm going to keep those. I found this cool pair of green tights that I'm going to keep because they're just that little pop of neutral color. And since I only need one pair of like fabriced black leggings, these are going to the donate. And then here's another pair of blue ones, and I think these are also going to be donated. They're thinner than the other ones that I have. So now I have these long slips. I need to see what the sizes are. So obviously I'm going to keep the bodysuit because you never know when you need that little extra like Spanx stuck in. Alright. And then both of these slips, they're actually the same thing, but they're two different sizes. And since I'm going through some different sizes right now, I think I'm going to hold on to both of them and go back through those. So let me pull down the other stuff. So down in here are some buttons. Looks like this is the strap for that bodysuit, and maybe these are too. These are some extra bra straps that I'll keep. And I don't think there's anything, so I'll get rid of some extra buttons. Those can either donated or given away. Oh, and these are from Victoria's Secret. These are those clear straps. I'm just going to put that up there in my bra drawer. And that leaves me some room down on the front here to put these memory type things. And those can go right there. So it's memories and those Apple Watch band holders that I needed. So got that all narrowed down. Now for the sweaters. You can only wear so many sweaters in Texas, unfortunately, because sweaters are just so much fun to have. So I really feel like I need to get rid of some of these. I really don't need multiples. Plus I have a few that I know are just too big now, and I can go ahead and let those go because somebody else will really enjoy wearing them. So I'm actually just going to sit down here with you guys and go through them one by one. I only need so many sweatshirts. That's the hard part for me, is to get rid of sweatshirts. So there's some fishing shirts. I love this Columbia sweatshirt. It is the perfect burnt orange. It has pockets. And it's just so beautiful. I can't get rid of it. So we went to this high school fishing competition. Texas High School Bass Association. We didn't know they had bass fishing for high schoolers, but it's too big now. It looks sloppy, so I'm getting rid of it. Same with this Old Navy sweatshirt, great mustard yellow color. I have this North Face sweater. This one is great for bonfires, but I have others that are really great for bonfires as well, so I think I'm gonna let that one go. And then still love that one. This sweater is by a company called Grunt Style. It is way too big now, and you can actually send it back in and they will swap it out. You pay shipping and whatever, and they swap it out for whatever their current style is. So I'll probably send that in and swap that out. Same with this American made sweatshirt. I have it in extra large and large, and I think I'm gonna keep the large and send that into Grunt Style because, well, you can just get a credit or whatever. Okay, let me just show you a really good example. Like this pilling and stuff, I have a thing that will take the pilling off of it, but I actually don't even like this color of pink anymore. Just a little too sandy for me. And I have this like pinkish purple sweater that I really love, like cardigan, and I think I'll keep that one over that one. Same as that mustard yellow, too big. Same as the mustard yellow, too big. Those were some great sweatshirts. They were from Old Navy. They were super comfy. This one I never wear because I will ruin it in the salon, and I never reach for it because it actually just falls off my shoulders a lot. I think it's really annoying. Okay, so I pulled out like 8 sweaters at least. I still have more, but I really just can't get rid of anymore right now. I'm so sad thinking about it. But I do have a couple that I'm going to send back also to get a credit or get a new sweater with it. And then I think that's it for here right now. I got rid of a lot of shoes in the last haul that I did because there's a lot that I don't wear. Now I also have some like Dr. Scholl's and Clark shoes. I will show you those. They're like those slide-on tennies that I actually just don't wear anymore because, so I just have to stand like this for now. But I don't tend to wear these at all, these blue ones. I don't wear these anymore. Those are really, they're memory foam and they're really great, but I just don't wear that color anymore with all of the other shoes that I have, and I'll show you why. And I don't wear the gray very much. Because usually I wear black or just light brown. So those 3 will all go. And the reason I no longer wear those is because I have these tees and I really, really love these. So I wear those, and then I have this brown, black, you know, so I have brown and black shoes. You can't see that, but I have brown and black shoes all the way up there. So I am good on that. I will keep this black pair and this like blush rose color pair because I think those are really pretty and still are pretty versatile, and I do still wear those colors. Good neutral. So that is what I'm getting rid of for now. I guess my boots would be the next thing I go through, but it's a really hard decision, so I'm not quite there yet. I do have some gray boots that I'll probably get rid of, but because I never wear them. But I'll probably resell them on Poshmark. So I'll link my Poshmark closet down below. So thanks guys, bye. So you can only wear so many sweaters in